Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Ring Indoor Cam. This is the second generation. What I have here is the brand new one. So today we're going to unbox it, show you what comes inside the box, also how the camera looks, and also we're going to go over the specs as well. Alright, let's get it open and see how this camera looks. Alright, here we go. Nicely packaged. I love the Ring products. They always come in really nicely packaged. So right here we have the cable. I believe this is 6-feet cable. And we have micro USB to USB Type A. Let's see what else we have. We have the quick start guide. And then here, let's see what this is. We have, I believe, one screw. No, actually, we have two screws. The other one doesn't want to come out. Come out. There we go. So we have two screws here. Actually, three screws. Didn't see the third one. All right. And then let's see what else we have here. And on this end, of course, we have the power adapter. And here we also have a little sticker inside where the quick start guide is. And here we go with the camera. It does have the privacy control on here, which is really nice. So to open this, all you have to do is just push it either one way or you can actually do it both ways. Matter of fact, I believe you can also remove this if you want to. Let's talk a little bit more about the specs. 1080p HD. It also has the live view, 143 degrees field of view, which is pretty amazing. Most of the other cameras I've seen in this range have 110 degrees. Of course, it does have built-in speaker, built-in microphone. It also comes with the, as I mentioned earlier, this is 6.5 feet cable. So it is pretty long. This is, of course, plug-in camera, so you do need that long cable. This little camera also supports customizable motion zones, motion alerts, live view with the two-way talk, and also it does have the siren as well. That's why it has this big speaker on the bottom. Now let's talk about the mounting. Of course, you can end up using it just as it is. Now you can end up doing quite a few different angles with this as well. So you can end up using it this way. Let me just open it. But if you do want to end up mounting this, all you have to do is, so you're going to remove this little piece, which would be a mount. So you have the screws, you're going to put this in the location where you want to end up putting the camera. Once you have this with the screws on, all you have to do is just find the right positioning here, and then you just kind of pop it in. So it does have few different positioning. You can put it on the ceiling, on the wall, or you can just have it on the desk or cabinet. So a lot of different variation. This camera has quite a lot of amazing features. I'm definitely looking forward to setting this up and testing it more. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.